Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at Riseaboves and how to do some neat things with Riseaboves. So right now, we had just created this new Riseabove called Economy, and we had just put a little bit of information inside of it, just a description, but currently we don't have any other notes inside. So I just clicked in this view, and you can see if I scroll down, scroll up, scroll to the right, it's all empty. So I'm going to drag this off to the side. And now I want some notes to put inside this Riseabove, because here's a concept of the economy. And now there might be any number of notes that relate to this concept. So I'm going to go over here to politics, and I'm going to right-click this. And then I'm going to go to Open in Internal. And what that does is it opens up that politics view, and it says politics across the top. And so now I can actually, once I clicked here to open up this space, I can now drag notes over from this view into that Riseabove. So I'm going to grab this one here, economies are global, drop that inside. I might just put all these in here. So make America great again. So a concept that might affect our economy, as well as is coal necessary for the well-being of America? Should say of. And once we've dragged those over, then maybe we'll close this back down. And we might look at then opening up some of these notes and then including that in the description on the side to try to include these and combine these ideas in our overview that we write here on the side. But for now that we've dragged that over, I'll just close that down. So maybe there was a note that we wanted to put into multiple different Riseaboves. So an idea that doesn't really fit in only one place. So let's go back to politics. So I'll open in Internal, so it pops up in this nice little window. I'll drag this out of the way. And then I'll open up Politicians, because it seems that at least this note here, Make America Great Again, relates to politicians. So I'll open that, drag this off to the side, and it says click here. So I click there. And we'll drag Make America Great Again over into that view. And now I might go over to Edit and talk about how making America great again also relates to this concept of politicians, or maybe a single politician specifically. And then once I'm done typing, I can hit Contribute, and we can close everything down. So there you go. I hope to see you in the next video.